Stop. Before you scroll to the next video, answer me this. Can you survive without your phone for just 1 hour? Be honest. Most people can't. And here's what's crazy. You're touching your phone 2,617 times every single day. That's right, 2,617 times. But here's the scary part. Scientists now compare social media addiction to drugs. Yes, drugs. And big tech companies? They hire genius engineers, psychologists, and data scientists whose only job is to keep you addicted. They're making billions while you're losing your dreams, your time, and your future. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you exactly how they're controlling your brain, why you can't stop scrolling, and most importantly, the simple steps to break free and take back your life. Stay with me because this might be the most important video you watch this year. Part 1. The problem. The shocking reality. Let me show you some crazy numbers. USA, 7 to 8 hours daily on phones. India, 7.5 hours. South Korea, 8 hours. That's half your day gone. Think about what you're losing. Your studies, suffering. Your career, at risk. Your hobbies, forgotten. Your dreams, dying slowly. People take phones to the washroom. They check Instagram before brushing teeth. They feel angry if someone takes their phone away for 10 minutes. This is not normal. This is addiction. And guess what? Even celebrities struggle with this. Tom Holland, yes, Spider-Man himself, admitted he was obsessed with checking likes and comments. It made him so anxious that he deleted all social media apps. If a millionaire superhero can get trapped, what about us? Part 2. The science, how they control you. The dopamine trap. Here's the truth nobody tells you. When you open Instagram, what do you see? Someone in Paris, someone with a new car, perfect couples, big achievements. And your brain starts comparing. Why not me? Why am I not successful? But here's the secret. It's all fake. Filters, editing, only best moments. But your brain doesn't know this. Now comes the dangerous part. Dopamine. Can you watch a 30-minute educational video? No. But can you watch 31-minute videos? Easily. Why? Because every scroll equals dopamine hit. One notification equals dopamine. One like equals dopamine. One comment equals dopamine. Your brain becomes addicted to these small rewards. Just like a drug addict needs more drugs, you need more scrolling, more videos, more likes. When you pull down to refresh, your brain reacts exactly like a gambler pulling a slot machine. You don't know what's coming next, and that excitement keeps you hooked. This is why good habits are hard and bad habits are easy. Studying doesn't give instant reward. Exercise doesn't show six-pack abs tomorrow, but social media, instant pleasure, instant dopamine. Part 3. Who's behind this? The system designed to trap you. Many genius people work every single day to keep you addicted. When you watch one video, algorithm recommends another immediately. When you like a post, it shows 10 more similar posts. When you scroll Reels, next video loads automatically. You don't even click. These apps are designed to control your attention. It's their profit, but your loss. Your time is gone. Your energy is wasted. Your focus is destroyed, and your real life is slipping away. Do the math with me. 5 hours daily equals 35 hours weekly, equals 140 hours monthly, equals 1,680 hours yearly. That's 70 full days of your life. In 70 days, you could learn a new skill, start a business, become fluent in English, get in the best shape, change your entire future. But instead, scrolling, scrolling, scrolling. Part 4. The 7 steps to freedom. How to break free. Now the big question. How do you escape? Here are 7 powerful steps. Step 1. Realize it's a trap. Ask yourself, am I using social media or is social media using me? If the answer scares you, it's time to change. Step 2. Turn off all notifications. Right now, go to settings and turn off Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok notifications. This alone saves hours. Step 3. The 5-second rule. When you feel like checking social media, count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then ask, do I really need this or is it just a habit? Most times you don't need it. Step 4. Set time limits. Decide only 30 minutes daily. Set a timer. Use app blockers. Be strict. Step 5. Replace with real life. Go outside. Take walks. Read books. They give real knowledge. Learn something new. Talk to real people. Exercise and move your body. Step 6. Make phone boring. Set screen to black and white. Hide social media apps in folders. Log out after every use. These small tricks reduce temptation. Step 7. 7-day detox challenge. Delete all social media apps for 7 days. Focus on real life, family, goals, sleep, exercise. After 7 days, you'll feel happier, calmer, more focused, and you'll realize you never needed it. Your choice, your future. Let me ask you something powerful. If today was your last day on Earth, would you be happy that you spent it scrolling through Instagram and TikTok, or would you wish you did something meaningful? Time is like sand slipping through your fingers. Every second wasted is gone forever. You have 2 choices. Keep scrolling, keep wasting, keep living the same life. Take control now. Delete apps, work on your dreams. 5 years from now, you'll either thank yourself or regret this moment. The choice is 100% yours. So what will you do? Comment below. I'm taking control if you're ready to change. Let's break free together. Your future is waiting.